Hi everyone, welcome back to class. Cognizant has started hiring for the role analyst trainee of the batches 2023 and 2024. And 3-year full-time degree graduates are eligible for this role. And if you look at the job locations that are like Chennai, Bangalore, Coimbatore, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Kochi, Mumbai, and Pune. And the last date for this application is 31st July 2025. Okay, and we can see analyst trainee aligned to IT and integrated smart operations is the one role, and the other one is analyst trainee aligned to multi cloud. Okay, so if you look at the analyst trainee aligned to IT and integrated smart operations, the eligibility criteria 2023 and 2024 with a 3-year full-time degree that includes the branches like BCA, BSc in Computer Science, IT, Mathematics, Physics, Chemistry, Statistics, Electronics, or allied streams are eligible for it. And candidates should have minimum of 60% in class 10th, 12th, or diploma UG. And at the time of joining, recruits must have minimum 60% aggregate in their current degree with no standing areas. Okay, and appropriate CGPA to be converted into the percentage that is to be there as per the university norms. Okay, and students who are having the standing areas are not eligible to apply for this role. So this is the eligibility criteria for analyst trainee aligned to IT and integrated smart operations. And if you look at the eligibility criteria for analyst trainee aligned to multi-cloud 2023-2024 with a 3-year full-time degree are eligible, and student should have the percentage 50 in class 10th, 12th, diploma and UG, and students having the standing areas are not eligible, and one should flexible to work from office location in a given shift timing and technology is mandatory. Okay, and candidates who have taken part in Cognizant hiring process within the past 5 years, that is 2019 to 2024, should mark the same in the registration form. Okay, so this is what about the eligibility criteria for the role analyst trainee aligned to multi cloud. Okay, and if you look at the responsibilities that are required for analyst trainee aligned to IT and integrated smart operations, like one should able to understand relationships between the tables and write queries to retrieve data from the database, and one should able to perform CRUD operations, and one should able to prepare test cases, scripts and data, and then execute both automated test as well as a manual test, and one should analyze root causes and fix service tickets according to standard operating procedures. And one should demonstrate proficiency in tools related to IT service management and data analytics. And one should possess a strong drive in experiment of the projects. Okay, and if you look at the responsibilities that can be included in analyst training aligned to multi-cloud, one should able to perform activities based on defined guidelines in SOPs, run books with understanding of business, and then one should adhere to customer security and compliance requirements. One should follow customer communication etiquettes, and one should contribute to continuous service improvement plans. So this is what about the key responsibilities of analyst trainee aligned to multi-cloud. And if you look at the other information related to this particular hiring, so mandatory documents for registration. So one should have resume with maximum of 2 pages with high resolution passport size photograph. Okay, so this is mandatory for registration. And during the interview, one should have all academic documents including the college ID card, school or college UG mark sheets and degree certificates. And if one gets selected for the company, so that is for onboarding, one should have PAN card as well as the voter ID card or passport. These are mandatory for onboarding. So this is what about the hiring process of Cognizant. So I will get you the link in the description box. So once you go through this particular link, you can easily able to apply. So this is all about today. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.